Good day everybody, I'm Lance and I'm learning Spanish, and today is my 78th day in this learning journey. So today I would like to share you something that I have learned within this journey. It's about family. Today is going to be like a vocabulary enrichment activity because we're just going to learn the word and its meaning. Let's go! So the first word is Padre. It means father. And then Madre, which means mother. Hermano, brother. And Hermana, sister. Esposo o marido, husband. Esposa o mujer, wife. Hijo, son. Hija, daughter. Abuelo, grandfather. Abuela, grandmother. Nieto, grandson, and nieta, granddaughter. Tío, uncle, and tía, aunt or auntie. Primo and prima for cousins. Sobrino, nephew, and sobrina, niece. So there we have it, guys. I hope that you learned something from me today. Again, I am Lance and I'm learning Spanish, and I hope that you join me in my learning journey. Bye bye!
The words about family members in Spanish are overwhelming. I actually shared only half of them because these are the most frequently used words when it comes to other parts of the world. But in Spanish, they have words like SUEGRO and SUEGRA for parents-in-law, CUñADO and CUñADA for siblings-in-law, BISABUELO and BISABUELA for great-grandparents, TATARABUELO or TATARABUELA for great-great-grandparents, and so much more that we couldn't even think about that exist. If tongue is the mirror of one's soul, language is the mirror of one's nation. And having a lot of words dedicated to family speaks something to me, that Spanish people has a sense of family-orientedness.